Welcome to Arathi. Best herbs to lose weight quickly. Trying to get rid of those extra kilos? Or do you desire to look fitter and leaner than ever before? Is being overweight causing health issues? In that case, why not try firsthand some easy tips to lose weight effectively and rapidly? Don't worry, these tips don't need you to gulp necessary pills or undergo a laser surgery to reduce your fat. Neither does it advise you to work out rigorously to burn all those calories that you sport in excess. Priority must always be given to these herbs to lose weight over other means of weight loss such as dieting, body aching workout, liposuction surgery or any other kind of medication and yoga. One important thing to bear in mind is that surplus amounts of fat may end up increasing health risks for you. Hence, it becomes the need of the hour to get rid of them as early as possible. Best herbs for weight loss. Number 1. Seaweed, kelp. Kelp is the richest source of iodine that aids stimulation of your thyroid glands so that your metabolism remains up to its mark and doesn't deteriorate. Therefore, kelp seaweed is deemed as one of the best herbal remedies to lose weight. In order to burn fat and stay healthy, it is essential to maintain a proper metabolism. Kelp also reduces your fat absorption, all thanks to alginate present in it. 2. Guggle herb extract. For people who want to get rid of those excessive fats, it is advised to use guggle gum resin, which contains gugglesterone that acts as an anti-tumor and cholesterol-lowering agent. Many preliminary reports show that guggle herb extract prevents accumulation of fat and stimulates thyroid function by regulating metabolic rates in the body. 3. Aloe vera. Of many herbs for weight loss that work in improving your digestion, aloe vera is easily available and is rich in number of benefits also. Aloe vera helps to tackle excess weight by stimulating your body metabolism, thereby increasing energy consumption. It is also responsible for breakdown of situated layers of fat in your body by mobilizing them. 4. Green tea. Herbal green tea is a simple yet elegant herbal remedy to gain weight loss. A scientific study explains the reason behind prominent weight loss from green tea as the presence of a compound EGCG that limits absorption of fat. Also, green tea comes packed with an enriching blend of vitamin C, zinc, chromium, and trace minerals. Drinking as many as 3 to 4 cups daily is bound to help you lose considerable amount of weight. 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a popular herb that can be found in any list of the best herbs for weight loss worldwide. It can be added alongside your tea or meal and must be used on a daily basis for effective weight loss. Its characteristics include burning larger amount of body fat and increased energy expenditure to burn a whole lot more calories. Number 6. Coleus Forskohlii. A native South Asian herb from the family of mint, Coleus Forskohlii is warding off obesity and diabetes since ancient times. It works as one of the best herbs to lose weight owing to the forskolin, a compound rich in anti-obesity and lipid-lowering effects, which in turn energizes you and lowers your hunger. 7. Hibiscus tea. For people looking to lose weight, it is advisable to consume hibiscus tea that is loaded with nutrients. Hibiscus tea contains compounds amylase inhibitors that lower absorption of fats and carbohydrates. It also has mild diuretic properties that reduces bloating and also sheds off water weight. Antioxidants present in hibiscus strengthen immunity as excess fats are flushed from the body. 8. Arathi tea. Arathi tea derives its name from a village in China, where the herb was grown about 2,000 years ago. Arathi tea, by stimulating your spleen, improves digestion and helps flush out excessive fats and fluids from the body. With faster metabolism, your body will not retain fat, hence helping in weight loss. 9. Fennel. Owing to their diuretic properties, fennel seeds are deemed as one of the most useful herbal remedies to lose weight. The only disadvantage associated with use of the fennel is that weight loss is only restricted to shorter spans and not for long term. The best method to utilize fennel seeds is to add them in your tea and drink it. 10. Cinnamon. Among other spices for weight loss, cinnamon is the most preferred by people. Its easy availability and a league of other befitting benefits make it a top choice for weight loss. Cinnamon offers resistance to overeating and also reduces excessive body oxidation associated with metabolism syndrome. Prevention. Even though reducing weight is a vital, care must be taken not to make it all futile by gaining a lot more weight again. Prevention to gain any additional weight that needed must be undertaken so that you don't end up being overweight first. Though it is simple to lose weight, some people often find it difficult to reduce weight. This is because they fail to alter their dietary plans and eating habits. Hence, it is not only important to eat right food but also necessary to adapt yourself constantly to varying diet and eating habits. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.